How to unblock someone on SoundCloud. Hello guys, this is Atticus. Welcome back. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can unblock someone on SoundCloud. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on a. Now let's get started. First step, head over to soundcloud.com. After you're on your soundcloud.com, make sure that you're logged in into your account as well. After you've done that, what you can then do is to unblock someone, head over to these three dots on the top right. After you've done that, there you'll see a settings option. Tap on settings. After you tap on settings, let me just change here. And here you'll find a section that says privacy. Tap on privacy. And under privacy, you find a section called blocked users. So here you will see the list of blocked people. All you have to do is tap on this unblock button now. This is a really random block. And yeah, to unblock it, simply tap on the unblock button that was here, and then they will be unblocked. And it's basically that simple. That's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.